Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Ngiyabingelela sister we-country sanibonani, ngiyanibingelela ama-confidentiality. Angiyena umuntu wepolitiki. Angigxilile, angisho ukuthi angiyena, ake ngithi angigxilile ngoba ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngifunde izinto, ngibone ukuthi kwenzakalani yonke leyo nto leyo. Angiyena umuntu oqhashayo ukuthi akhulume ngezinto zepolitiki ngenxa yokuthi impande zayo angigxilile kuzo, kodwa ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngifunde, ngibone, ngilandele. Guys, kunosisi kuthiwa Jacinta Ngobese, yes. Ushadile kaZuma, yes, kaZuma. Ngicela ukungagxili kuyena phese ukuthi ngizokhuluma ngaye ngqo, kodwa ngifuna ukuzoveza ukuthi I support her. Mina Mvelwenhle, sister we-country, I support her. Ngizwe izolo ngibizwa ngo-sister we-country. Why ngimsupporta? Ngicela nje ukukhulumela esayidini lokuhlenga. Uyabona mina guys, uma wami usebenze overseas e-England, eBirmingham for close to a decade nonyaka. Wagcina sethole citizenship. Kwamthatha unyaka ukuthi aye khona kulungiswa izingcukaca, kulungiswa izinto, inhlalo yakhe na everything. Elinjani lelizwe elizovele kuthi uma ngabe nje ufeel like going nje uvele nje uthelekezweni, kungabi nankinga, kungabalwa lutho kuloku kungena abantu. Guys, niyophaphama the day uthole ukuthi uhulumeni usponsorishe amaPanado awu-50. I'm making an example. Usponsorishe amaPanado awu-50. Kufike ama-foreigners awu-30. Meaning sekusele amaPanado awu-20. Ama-South Africans. Ngibekisa kanjalo. Niyophaphama ngalelo langa uthole ukuthi uma ngabe kufanele ukuthi niyoteta kunembhede ewu-20 eKing Edward noma isemshiyeni. Uthola ukuthi udade wenu akasenawo umbhede wowoteta ngoba imbhede igcwele ama-foreigners. Niyophaphama ngelanga la eniyothola khona ukuthi ama-NGOs or ama-ARVs emhlabeni kusponsorishwe ama-ARVs awu-100. Uthole ukuthi u-70 uthathwe ama-foreigners. Le mfalakahlana asisaneli thina njengesizwe. Ngikhuluma ngomnyango nje wezempilo ngokubuka izinto indlela okwenzeka ngayo. Njengoba nikhala ngokuthi nje ama-sister clinic banolaka, uthole ukuthi ubona abantu obonayo ukuthi ababona besizwe bak-exhauste, uze ukuthi no ngikhathele. Mina nje ngisebenza eCape Town, uze ukuthi ngikhathele kuyima kuqhamuka eXhosa person after isikhathi esithize. Kodwa usubone plus minus 11 ngosuku abangebona kulelizwe. Usuyaqala ukukhathala kodwa bezwe ima uqala ukubabona. Angisho ukuthi ngiyacwasa, kodwa ngizama ukuveza ireality ukuthi asikho isizwe gazi singenamthetho. Asikho isizwe singenamthetho. Akwazi ukuba ngampunzi endlemini. Uthola ukuthi isibhedlela iclinic inama midwives mhlambe awu-6 eclinic. Ngenza example guys, angisho ukuthi ngikhuluma ngento eyenzakalayo. Uthola ukuthi kunama midwives awu-6. Kufika abantu abawu-13 abanemhelo. Kulo 13 guys, abantu abanemhelo ama-South Africans awu-4 kuphela. The rest bonke abezizwe. Anikwazi ukuyibuka ngalelo hlolo yelo. Angazi njengoba ngisho ngithi angene umuntu ogxilile, kodwa no ngiyamsupporta lwasisi. And I don't think ukuthi unenzondo yokuthi like ababulawe noma kodwa akwenzeki into right guys. Akwenzeki into right. Bengifuna nje ukunivezela eminyangweni nje lo ngiwusebenzelayo ukuthi ngibona ngathi ama-resources ethu abantu bakithi bazogcina bengawatholi ngenxa yabantu bezinye izizwe Wes abangenawo amaphepha guys okuba la awukwazi ukuthi ungafika ukhulelwe for 9 months uhlale ezweni lakho bese kuthi ngamasonto awu2 before u30 ebese uyawela uya kwelinye izwe. Isizathu salokho isiphi? Umuntu osuke kade eqalile eqaleni nekhathi kumele ukuthi kube uyena okutetisayo, ngoba lo muntu useyazi ukuthi egazini kwenzakalani, amagazi wathathile, unaziphi izifo, uzala umntana wesingaki, abe nobuchule bokuthi uma ngabe usutetiswa uyayidinga specialist yini oyidingayo. You understand? Uteta kanjani ezweni ongalazi, singazi ngawe, like umuntu engazi ngawe ukuthi ubani wakabani, unani egazini, udla iphi treatment, umntwana wesinga. Yo guys, angazi. I wish ukuthi besingayibuka ngamehlo avulekile, singayibuka ukuthi umuntu esifazana kodwa sibuke ngamehlo okuhlakanipha ukuthi guys sizogaxela. In fact, I think sesigaxele, it's just that asibona sinaki, silibele ukufight izimpi ezingenasidingo. Yeah, I think sesigaxele guys already. I think sesigaxele nje kakhulu. Kunzima guys, it's very heavy, kunzima. So I support mina lo sisi kakhulu guys. Noma ngamsupport ukuthi like ngithi viva nama body, like you understand, because you know impilo busy kodwa ngiyayizwa into ayishoyo, and mhlawumbe siyophaphama after 5 years ukuthi no Jacinta Ngobese made a point, and unfortunately by that time it would be very too late to turn back and rectify the mistakes that we are ignoring njengamanje. But yeah, that is just my 2 cents opinion. But yeah, I support Jacinta guys.
A South African lady has decided to share her own perspective on Jacinta and the much thing. And what she is saying, it actually does make a lot of sense, because she was basically saying, one day when you get to the hospital and then it happens that there are only 20 grandpas, it happens there are only 20 beds, and you want to give birth, or your relative wants to give birth, and only to find out nothing is left. That's when you will then wake up and realize how bad this is. She was saying ukuthi yena she stands with Jacinta. She stands with what Jacinta stands for. She supports her, and with this one, I believe that so many South Africans do stand with Jacinta. They stand with what she stands for, because obviously she's fighting for South African citizens. So it's an obvious thing. It is an obvious thing for me that most of these citizens, they will stand with her in this thing. Then she even made a video where she was thanking South Africans to say, thank you so much for standing by my side, for defending me on social media when other people, because remember, not all South Africans are standing for this. They actually, let me just put it like this. South Africans are divided. There are people that stands no Jacinta, and there are people that do not support her at all. So obviously they post their own perspective, just like everyone else have the right to say their own perspective.